Welcome to the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission's online tax portal, eMINTS. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to schedule an appointment on eMINTS. Please note, all tax information used in this demonstration is fictitious and for instructional purposes only. There are two steps to scheduling an appointment with the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission: scheduling the appointment on eMINTS and confirming the appointment on eMINTS. You have the option of scheduling an appointment on eMINTS while logged in or not logged in. If you need to create a logon for eMINTS, make sure to go watch our How to Create an eMINTS Logon video tutorial. To begin while not logged in, visit eMINTS at emints.metrorevenue.org. On the eMINTS homepage, there is a new Appointments panel. In that panel, select the Schedule an Appointment hyperlink. To schedule an appointment while logged into eMINTS, select the More tab, and then scroll down to the new Appointments panel. Then click the Schedule an Appointment hyperlink. These next steps are the same regardless of if you began while logged in or logged out. After selecting the Schedule an Appointment hyperlink, a Before You Book screen will pop up. You do not need to schedule an appointment to create a web logon, make a payment, or register with the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission. Simply use these quick links to start the web request. If you still need an appointment, click the Schedule an Appointment hyperlink. Select Walk-in as the category for your appointment. On this screen, it will list the different services that we offer here at the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission for an appointment. Select the option that most relates to your reason for scheduling an appointment. Select LMRC as your location. Our office is located at 617 West Jefferson Street, Louisville, Kentucky 40202. Next, select the date and time you would like for your appointment. You can schedule an appointment up to 30 days in advance. Use the calendar tool to select the date for your appointment, and then select the available time you would like your appointment. Then, click Next. If you do not see a date or time that works for you, please call our office at 502-574-4860 to speak with a representative. To finish scheduling your appointment, you must enter in your contact information. Enter in your full name, your phone number, and your email address. In the notes box, you can leave important details about your appointment, such as letter IDs or notice IDs, as well as any specific questions or concerns that you would like addressed during your appointment. Finally, please review the entered information on your screen and ensure that the scheduled date and time, as well as your contact information, are correct. Your email address must be correct, as all correspondence, including confirmation emails, will be sent to the email that you provide. If everything on the screen is correct, click Submit to schedule the appointment. You will now receive a confirmation sent to the email that you provided. If you have any trouble scheduling your appointment, please call our office at 502-574-4860 and a representative will assist you. The final step for scheduling an appointment is to confirm the appointment. This confirmation is important for securing your desired appointment date and time, as well as confirming that you will show up to your scheduled appointment. To confirm your scheduled appointment, you will need the confirmation code from the confirmation email that was sent to you after scheduling your appointment. In your confirmation email, copy your confirmation code. Next, click on the Confirm, Change, or Cancel hyperlink within the email. This will redirect you to the eMINTS homepage. On the eMINTS homepage, under the Appointments panel, click the Find My Appointment hyperlink. You can confirm your appointment using your confirmation code and your email address, or your confirmation code and your phone number. In the panel of the method you want to use, paste or enter in your confirmation code from your confirmation email, and then enter in either your email or your phone number. Then click the search button. Now you are taken to the Appointment Confirmation Details page. On this page, you can click the Confirm Appointment to confirm your appointment and let us know that you will show up, cancel your appointment and release your date and time, or reschedule your appointment and choose a different day or time. You can also update your contact information in the Contact panel. What if you need to find your confirmation code? If you cannot find your confirmation email and need it to be sent to you again, first navigate to the eMINTS homepage. Then, under the Appointments panel, click the Find My Appointment hyperlink. In the Lost Your Confirmation Code panel, enter in the email address or phone number used to schedule your appointment, and then click the Send Code button. We do not text confirmation codes. Your confirmation will be sent to you in a confirmation email, regardless of if you used your phone number to search for your code. So make sure to check your email for your appointment confirmation details. If you cannot get to the email address that you used to schedule your appointment, please contact our office at 502-574-4860 and a representative can assist you. After retrieving your confirmation code from your confirmation email, follow the previous steps to confirm, cancel, or reschedule your appointment. If you have any questions or concerns about scheduling your appointment, confirming your appointment, finding your confirmation code, or canceling or rescheduling your appointment, you can always call the Louisville Metro Revenue Commission at 502-574-4860 from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday.